Hey guys, in this feature update from Mortly, I'm going to showcase how to use the new itemized payoffs that I just finished building. So before, let's say you had a refinance and you wanted to add in a $5,000 credit card. So you had to just change this to 205, and then you would change this to 0, so that way the loan amount would adjust up, and then they would get back enough money to pay off the 205,000 combined payoff. And so when you did send this to the customer, all it did was have payoff 205. So the request that I received was, hey, I want to be able to itemize this. I want to show the customer what this includes. So what you have now is the ability to click on the payoff link, and now you have a summary of all the different payoff items that you can add. So in this case, I changed the main number, so I'll fix this first. Let's put this back at 200,000. There we go. And the next thing we're going to do is add a credit card for 5,000. And let's add that. So now we have a credit card and we have the primary mortgage, and they're combined for 205 with 2 items. Now you won't be able to click on this anymore or change this, because now you'll need to go inside of this summary to change this item. If there's only one item in here, then you can change it from there, because it'll assume that's what you mean, to change that one item. So now I'll create a table and I'll go here to itemize payoffs in a new settings. This is a new setting you're going to find. And now when you create your table, you'll see it down here at the bottom, and it itemizes the payoff for them. So going back to the payoff summary, you can also reorder from here. You can delete, and you can add as many as you want. We'll say test collection number 1, 5,000, 50,000. And we'll put it as a collection. There we go. And let's say we don't want to name it test collection. Let's just name it collection. There we go. And notice here at the top how it only highlights the ones that you have. And this is a combined total. So if I add another collection, we'll say collection number 2, and we'll say $500. Now there's $5,500 in collections, okay? And there's icons to kind of associate each one with each type. And that's pretty much it. This allows you to itemize your payoffs and keep track. And when you make copies of your scenario, everything does come over just like you expect. There it is again. So let's say you wanted one debt consolidation where you did pay off the second $500 credit card, and one where you didn't. So let's go to the second one here. Let's go to payoff. Let's delete this one. So now I have one with a payoff at 205 and one 205.5. I'll change this to 0, so that way this goes to the correct loan amount. I can bring them up side by side. Let's name this number 1, number 2, create a table. Let's itemize the payoffs. And now it knows that in this one, we're not going to be paying this off. So it put a little line here. So this one does include the collection number 2. This one does not. So, and then you simply just send this to your customers. You copy the table, paste it in your email, just like you're used to doing. So I hope this helps you. I think you're going to find this useful for doing debt consolidation type refinances, which probably is the only type of refinance we're doing right now. But yeah, this is the itemized payoff feature. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.